Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is a continuation from the previous video. Now we are going to watch Oakvale Wildlife Park. You'll be able to see a lot of animals here today and we are going to feed them. At the start we buy tickets and we also bought food to feed the animals. And here we go. We also got a map of the location. Now we are looking for roaming around animals and also the animals that are in cages. These are bantams. They look like Sri Lankan chicken, but they are not. Chinese silky bantam. If you want to see me feeding them, you have to wait till the very end because I feed animals at the very end. This video has a lot of animals and I don't know if you're going to watch till the end. And yeah, we are going to koala country. Koalas sleep most of the time. These koalas are sleeping, but we were able to see koalas eating as well. That's a Tasmanian devil. This koala, I think we can see him eat. Oh no, he's also sleeping. Almost everyone is sleeping. I am also sleepy now. Wait. There is a clip with a koala eating. Okay, this one. This koala is eating. So they sleep and eat every day. Eat and sleep, sleep and eat. Cycle repeats. You can only watch this video if you love animals. Otherwise, there's nothing in this video for you. This is the home of the koalas. Next, we are feeding. This is a llama. I'm sorry, I don't have much to say. This is just a lot of clips of many animals. And we are on the way to see the kangaroos and to feed them. Eastern grey kangaroo and the red kangaroo. These birds were looking for food the whole time. Here we find more kangaroos close by. This is a very chilled out wildlife park. We are feeding the kangaroos again. By this time, one of the food packets were over. We have the second packet only. And as you heard, when you feed kangaroos, their teeth comes and hits your palm. Dingo. They also look like dogs, but they are not. That's an ostrich. Okay, now we are going to an interesting place where we are going to feed milk. It's a feeding display and we are at the 2 p.m. slot. I fed them milk. I think, yeah, here's the bottle. I could not record the part where the animal came and had it from my milk bottle, but I have recorded these other people holding their bottles like this. I think these were baby goats. I don't know what you call them. Okay, so we decided to leave the place. There was a small play area for kids. Unfortunately, we are too old to play there. And finally, we entered the souvenir shop to check it out. And that's the end of this video. Thank you for sticking to the end. Like and subscribe. And check out these cute toys. See you with another video soon. Bye bye.